Yes, EMIs, installments of the long-term loans and borrowings will be included. And what is the formula of savings ratio? Cash surplus divided by income after tax. And debt service ratio? Monthly loan payments divided by gross monthly income. Let us find that. First, solvency ratio. Question number 9. Okay, yesterday we did with income statement and balance sheet. Now today we are doing with the ratios. Give the heading financial management ratios. First one doesn't require any workings. Directly we can find solvency ratio is equal to net worth divided by total assets. See in yesterday's question, what did we get net worth? All of you check it on the asset side, sorry, liability side. 23,83,000. Do you all find it in yesterday's solution? And what was the total of assets? 49,83,000. 0.4. Tell me 4 decimals. 4782, or you can say 47.82%. Second, for liquid ratio will require the workings because current liabilities will also include EMIs of long-term loans. So let us do that. First of all, what are the current liabilities we already obtained from the liabilities side? 1,30,000. Can you all see that? On the liabilities side, do you all find current liabilities in yesterday's solution? 1,30,000. Now, which all loans were there? Which all loans are there? Mortgage loan. Which out of the 19 adjustments gives the information about the installment paid of mortgage loan? Why you people are late? What is this? 10:15 is the supposed time. 15 to 20 minutes late, you people are coming. Absent will go. The person is not going to wait for everyone to come up till 11 o'clock and then he'll mark the absent or presence. Please reach on time. 10:15 is supposed to be the time, so reach on 10:15 only. After 10:32, 10:35, you people are coming here. Yes, how much is the mortgage loans installment given to you? Information 10. 40,000 that we are paying every year. What is the balance of loan still remaining? See on the liability side. 1160 means again 40,000 are we going to pay in the next 12 months or not? Yes. You have to verify that. Suppose only 30,000 is remaining. Then we will not be paying 40,000 in the next year. Then we will be paying only 30,000. But here 11,60 is remaining means we will be paying 40,000 in the next year. So loan installment of primary home 40,000 is our current liability. Which is the next loan? Car loan. Which information about car loan? Fourth information. How much is car loan installment paid by check? 1,20,000. See on liability side, what is the loan pending? 1,18,000. So are we going to pay 1,20,000 in the next year or not? Yes. So car loan installment also we are going to pay 1,20,000. So early Deepak. 20 minutes late. 10:15. Every day the timing is 10:15 only. Yes, after car loan, which is the next loan? Education loan, 9th adjustment. Education loan. How much is paid? 30,000. What is pending? 1,70,000. So are we going to pay full amount of 30,000 again in the next year or not? And also 12th information, we have second homes loan also now. Primary home is there, second home is also there. So second home loan is 12th information. How much is paid? 2 lakhs. And see in the liability side, what is still pending of second home? 960. So again we are going to pay 2 lakhs. So what are our current liabilities? 1, 2, 4, 5 lakh 80,000. 5 lakh 20,000. Current liabilities are 5 lakh 20,000. Now we can apply the formula. So be careful with this ratio, particularly all other information you directly get. But in current liabilities, always remember you have to include the EMIs or loan installments which are payable in the next year also. Therefore, liquid ratio is equal to liquid assets upon current liabilities Now see from the asset side of your balance sheet, what are liquid assets? 5,73,000. And what are current liabilities? 5,20,000. 101 or 110.19%. Did you understand this, everyone? Then which is the third ratio we find? Savings ratio. What is the formula of savings ratio? Cash surplus, that is directly available from the income statement. How much is cash surplus? 3,53,000 divided by income after tax. What is income, gross income? Total income? 11,30,000 minus what is tax and the expenses? 20,000. Do you all find that? So first we'll find income after tax. Total income or gross income is 11,30,000 minus tax paid is 20,000. 11,10,000 is income after tax. Understood this, everyone? Now we can apply the formula. Therefore, savings ratio is equal to cash surplus divided by income after tax. So cash surplus we obtained 3,53,000 upon income after taxes 11,10,000 3180 or 31.8%. Is everyone clear with this? Any confusions in it? And what is the fourth ratio? Debt service ratio. Anyone still doing up till savings ratio? Raise your hand. Except the latecomers. Now debt service ratio, what is the formula? Monthly loan payments divided by gross monthly income. Raise your hand. How will you find monthly loan payments? What divided by 12? Tell me the amount divided by. Which amount will you divide by 12? No. 3 lakh? How do you get that?
Car loan installment 1,20,000 plus education loan 30,000 plus second home loan 2 lakh.
plus primary home loan 40,000 also. These are the home loans paid. If you divide them by 12, you get monthly loan payments. We have done it earlier. 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 320, 350, 390. What are the total loan payments? Show that over there, 3,90,000. This is to be divided by 12. Did everyone understand this? Except current liability, these are the loan payments. So what will be the monthly loan payments? 3,90,000 divided by 12. 32,500. And what will be the gross monthly income? What is the total income? This is before tax, okay? What is the total income? 11,30,000. So 11,30,000 divided by 12. 9,41,000. 94,167 gross monthly income. Did you understand this, everyone? Now we can find the debt service ratio. Therefore, debt service ratio is equal to monthly loan payments divided by gross monthly income. Monthly loan payments 32,500 divided by gross monthly income 94,167 5 or 34.51%. Is everyone clear with this question? So 15 marks per question of this kind can come. Almost the chapter is over, only 7th question is remaining. No, is it? No. That we'll do in the class in the next lecture, but I'll discuss now exam questions. Today we only discuss them. All the questions which you have to take in homework, because that itself consumes a lot of time. There are many examination questions of this kind. So question number 14 on page 36. Okay, I'll give you 5 to 10 minutes. First do the markings, then I'll discuss. Now you must be able to identify the things on your own. 14 and 15 will be your homework for the next lecture. Then in next lecture we'll discuss the remaining questions 17, 19 and we'll finish the chapter. Okay. So 14 and 15 is your homework for the next lecture. First do the markings for question number 14.